So we've got a sink here that's just not draining very fast. And I'm going to show you how you can very quickly and very inexpensively fix this slow draining sink. Now you could spend a lot of money calling a plumber out to fix the sink. Or you could wash a lot of money down the drain with some liquid plumber or something that's likely not even going to work to fix the drain. But we're going to fix it so quick and easy and cheap with a small sink plunger. We're just going to cover up this hole with some tape to make sure we get a good suction. And then we're going to grab this small 7-inch sink plunger. You can pick it up on like Amazon or Walmart. I will put a link in the description of the video on where you can buy it. We're just going to put this plunger over the drain and give it a few quick plunges. And let's see what happens. You can see it's already starting to move up some of the crud that's caught into the pipes. We'll just have to give this a few more pumps and see if we can get the rest of it cleared out. It's already draining a little bit faster. I'm just going to add a little bit more water to make sure we can get a good seal, and then it shouldn't take much more. Give it a pump. Give it a few more pumps. And let's see, look at that nasty stuff. We're getting it cleared out pretty nice. We've got the water running really smooth now, and we did it for such a fraction of the cost. Let me know in the comments if this video worked out well for you, and thanks for watching.